Hello and welcome to today's class. We're going to start our practice together in a seated position. As when you're ready, begin to come through to your easy seat. Just take a gentle little circle spiral. From our gentle circle spirals, we'll begin to take our right hand down towards the side, opening up the chest. Left arm might begin to rise up towards the sky and then over towards the right. Left hand beginning to come all the way down. Right hand beginning to rise over towards the left. Right hand beginning to come down, sweeping the arms up overhead. Left hand grabbing your right fingertips will begin to tilt. Arms rising, right hand grabbing the left over towards the right. And both arms circling, feathering the hands all the way down to our side. As we take the hands into the lap, resuming that circle spiral. Staying here a little bit longer if you like, or maybe take our hands to one side as we begin to take our legs back, coming through to a tabletop position of all fours. As you arrive in your table, take a little bit of a shift and drift. And we'll begin to tuck our toes, staying here a little bit longer if you like, or being coming through to a downward dog, taking the sit bones up and back, paddling, bending one knee and then the other. Weight beginning to go into your left foot as you lift your right heel. Heel beginning to go back. And we'll begin to invite that knee in towards the nose. And then taking that right foot towards the top of our space. Left knee beginning to drop. You can take a little bit of a tap with that right foot. Maybe we begin to straighten, tucking that left toe as we begin to lean back. Right foot coming back down towards the earth. We'll begin to lift our left knee. Left foot coming to the top of our space, coming to a fold. As we arrive at the top of our space, taking a halfway lift, hands to thighs, shins, and folding down. Pressing the feet, we'll begin to sweep our arms up. Full cactus, opening up the chest. Hands rising. Circling, feathering the hands all the way down to our fold. Halfway when we arrive, hands to thighs, shins. Folding down, walking the hands forward as we take our legs back, downward dog. Shift to the weight to that right foot. Begin to lift our left heel. Bending the knee, taking the foot towards the top of your space. Releasing that right knee down. Taking a little bit of that tap. A little bit of sprinter's lunge. Left foot coming all the way back down towards the earth, tucking our right toe, lifting that right knee. We'll begin to tap or float that right foot to meet the left. Halfway. Folding down, we'll begin to press, taking the arms up overhead. Cactusing, opening up the chest. Arms up overhead. We're going to soften and fold. Halfway. Folding down. Walking the hands forward as we take our legs back. And we can stay in our downward dog as long as you like. Otherwise, rippling forward through to a plank. Staying soft here, beginning to roll over towards that right side as our left arm rises. Left hand coming down, rolling over towards the left. Right arm coming down. Downward dog. Beginning to shift the weight into that left foot as we take our right heel up. Bending the knee in towards the nose as we take that right foot between the hands. Your choice of leaving the left knee lifted or beginning to drip down. And we'll begin to fold over that right leg, tapping the foot. Or maybe we're folding over this straightish leg. Heavily beginning to begin to bend the right knee. We'll begin to explore a little bit of a floating warrior 3. Shift into that right foot as we lift the left. And eventually that left foot coming to meet the right. Forward fold. Halfway. Folding down, we'll press up to standing. When the hands get to your highest point, we'll cactus. Arms rising, folding. Hands beginning to walk forward as we take our legs back. Staying in our downward dog or rippling through to your plank. Marinating or rolling over towards that right side. Left hand coming down as we roll to the left. Downward dog. Bring the weight into that right foot, 3-legged with the left foot. Bending the knee, bringing it so the left foot lands between the hands. Your choice for that right knee, keeping it floating or taking it down towards the earth. Beginning to tap the left foot or floating over that left leg. Bending that left knee. We'll come through to this runner's lunge and then begin to explore that floating warrior 3. Eventually, we'll let that right foot come to meet the left. Halfway lift. Folding down. Pressing, taking the arms up. When the hands get to your highest point, we'll cactus. Left arm rising. Right hand to join. We're going to fold down, hands all the way down. Walking the hands forward to take our legs back, downward dog. Rippling through to your plank. Rolling over to that right side. Back through center. Rolling over towards the left. Back through center. Downward dog. From here, we'll begin to gently drip the knees down towards the earth. Beginning to untuck the toes, coming to sitting on the heels. Taking a moment here. Beginning to take your right hand down towards the side. Left hand beginning to rise, tilting over. Left hand coming down, waving that right arm up, over to the side. Right hand coming back into our lap. Taking a little circle spiral here. Eventually beginning to bring your hands together to the heart. Bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. Thank you for taking this energizing burst of a yoga flow. If you'd like to practice in person, check out my link in the description. Otherwise, I will see you on the screen soon.